why is it important to you? This is where the money is. If you want savings in your bank account at age 65 so that you can live a good retirement life, when do you start investing? Between age 25 and 30. If you have no money savings till age 60, the bank balance will be empty. But why don't we invest in our health? So if we need to reap the benefits at age 65 or 70 and we want to live a healthy life till 90, you'll have to invest between the age of 25 and 30. And that's why we are talking to you today.
And that's exactly why your age group, that's why I was smiling when I started the talk. Your age group is so important because even if you take away 10% of what we tell you today, hamara kaam ho gaya. We're done. Because I think you would have done something about your health. But this is the barrier that happens, and this person who is on the screen now is our son.
Anybody of this age group, myself included, it's very hard to think about what's going to happen 10, 20, 30, 40 years from now.
So if you heard that, what he was saying was, "Aaj ki fikr hai bas, 30-40 saal baad kya hoga, who the heck cares?" Right? But the reality is this is the time to care, because what happens 20 years from now, you are writing that script. वो film की story आप आज लिख रहे हो, right? That is what you are writing today. That's why it is so important for you to.
Hello. So let's talk about the why quickly, and then we talk about what and how. So a uniquely Desi mindset is किस्मत. This is all किस्मत and genes, right? कि जीन में हमारे लिखा हुआ है, हमारे घर में आया है, हमको होगा ही होगा, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So the good part is.
I thought that okay. So जब लोग कहते हैं कि भाई genes में हमारे, what does that mean? So people in Harvard Medical College, they've done a lot of research on this. कि what does it mean कि हम लोगों को जो Indians हैं, उनको क्यों हो रहा है heart attack, right? जहां तक जीन्स का सवाल है, so if you look carefully, people what they did was they outlined the risk of heart disease based on genetic predisposition, and they divided that risk into what's called a genetic risk score. अगर मैं आपका सबका एक risk score करूं today, and that is available in India by the way right now, if each one of you got a genetic testing done, each one of you will be assigned a number. मान लो 80, 90, 60, 40, 10. मेरी 10% chance है, मेरी 90% chance है, मेरी 100% chance है, whatever that number is. उन सारे numbers को अगर आप plot करोगे, तो highest risk जो बंदे होंगे, right, 10 to 20% of people on the right side of that spectrum, there are that many, they have about 3 or 4 times more the risk of heart disease compared to people जिनका low risk है. Right? Now, that's the bad news कि हमारे अगर किसी का स्कोर ज्यादा है तो उसकी 3 times as much chance है हार्ट डिजीज की. However, even अगर आप high risk पे हो, if you are at high risk of heart disease, but if you practiced healthy lifestyle, which we will talk about, your risk drops down to the low risk. So genetic predisposition can be overridden by lifestyle change. So approximately 80% of stuff, like we said, is right here. Blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, air pollution, stress, smoking alcohol, lack of sleep. And we talk about them quickly, one by one. Hypertension, meaning high blood pressure and diabetes, everyone knows is a high risk factor.
So one thing we want to focus on, because in the youngster crowd, this is what's happening, the left side. Stress, number one, because you guys are working long hours, many of you. Weekend पे enjoy करना है, party करनी है, smoking, alcohol, सब होता है. हमारे बच्चों ने भी किया, आपको मालूम है. It's a common thing. And stress, sleep, smoking together is a major risk in youngsters. Diabetes, hypertension तो होता ही है obesity के साथ, but those 4 are even more important in the younger age group. So let's focus on the cholesterol. Diabetes, hypertension तो है ही, लेकिन one thing we want you to take home is cholesterol. And cholesterol के 3 नंबर होते हैं, LDL, HDL, triglycerides. LDL is the bad one. And we just want you to remember these 3 numbers, 100, 70, 55. And by the way, as I said, it's not important whether you're 30, 40, 50 or 60. These numbers are important at every single stage of your life. And then there are two other risk factors in Indians, which is Lp(a) and apolipoprotein B. These are proteins which are specifically damaging into the Indian population, and they're not as common in the other population.
So this slide is very important. तो जब आपको इस एज में currently, and I'm referring to all of you who are 30, 35, 25, whatever your age is right now, this is the kind of person we are worried about. आप लोगों ने, I'm sure, by a show of hands, how many of you have had your cholesterol checked? 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe, 5 maybe 6. Okay, so 6 people out of this group, right, have had their cholesterol checked. Think about it. आपको पता ही नहीं है. So if something is big, so this is the kind of person we are worried about. आपको अगर cholesterol, and cholesterol takes a simple blood test, takes about 3 minutes to get done, and you're done. And यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड में जब people like you, मानो आप किसी प्रॉब्लम से डॉक्टर के पास गए, and they tell you आपका LDL थोड़ा सा हाई है. One of my children out of 2 is your age group. Actually, both of them are your age group, but one of them has a borderline high cholesterol. Right? Now, these people, this is the exact person जो कि अगले 5 से 10 साल में will be in the situation potentially जैसे के था या कोई और था who passed away performing, doing something else, और सबने कहा वो तो sudden death हो गई, कुछ दारू पी ली होगी, कुछ और हो गया होगा, something else happened. But the fact is यहां से बीमारी शुरू हो गई थी, आपको पता ही नहीं था. Right? The cholesterol plaque began to form. And then suddenly, तो मैंने one of the people I interviewed, he said, Nirmal, there is nothing called sudden death in India. हर एक death के पीछे there is a story like this. So this is what I want you to take home today. Every single one of you, in the next 1 to 2 days, should get your cholesterol checked. Okay? So if you look at all the diseases that we talked about, blood pressure, diabetes, जो भी आप नाम ले लो, all of the 7, not the 7, almost all of them, root cause of every single one of them, particularly in Indians, is what we call visceral fat. Visceral fat का मतलब ये है, many Indians have a little bit of a thorn here, right? Just a little bit. Some have a little more than a little bit, thorn. But बिल्कुल, they look pregnant like 9 months. And they're males, they're not pregnant. Right? तो यहाँ है सारा. And that's where all the fat is hiding. And this fat is causing almost all of the things that we talked about. सिर्फ इतना ध्यान रखने की बात है. और Indians में there is a type of obesity that is called apple-shaped obesity. Apple का मतलब है above the waist तौन पड़ रही है. Pear-shaped obesity गोरों में ज्यादा होती है. They're in their butt right here. यहां पे obesity है. ये वाली obesity जो है, this is not as harmful to the heart, but this is the obesity that is really harmful to the heart, right? So that is the point. तो इसीलिए Indians में, if you checked your body weight and BMI जो कहते हैं, body mass index, right? Generally बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होता. यहां तक हम बिल्कुल कमजोर नजर आते हैं. Suddenly यहां से story बनने लगती है, right? इधर. So इसलिए a very good indicator in us is what's called waist circumference. Around the belly button, अगर आप अपने आप को measure करोगे, and if you are more than 90 centimeters, if you are a man, if more than 80 centimeters, you are a woman, that's a risk.
So why do we get this visceral fat? वो बढ़ता ही क्यों है? Genetically problem है हमको, लेकिन वो बढ़ता क्यों है? It's all in diet and exercise. Simple चीज है. It's not like we're born for the visceral fat. We make it happen. दोनों culprit है diet और exercise, and that's where we're going to spend most of our time today. तो हमारी diet में क्या problem है? We call it a quadruple threat. सबको मालूम है, right? अभी निर्मल ने एक रील करी है कि टेक आउट बिरयानी में कितनी कैलोरी होती है और कितना टेक आउट हम करते हैं आजकल. It has become the new norm. You work late hours, you get food from outside, you go home, eat and go to bed. That's the life. सो हाई कार्ब होते हैं, सिंपल कार्ब, शुगर, मिठाई, व्हाइट पॉलिश राइस, जूसेस, नॉन सोर्स ऑफ विसरल फैट. सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम, हाई सैचुरेटेड फैट. सारी जगह आयुर्वेद घी के बारे में बता रहे हैं, राइट? जितना घी खाओगे उतना अच्छा है. I will tell you, even the 25 guidelines say that saturated fat should be less than 10% of your life in the whole day of diet. Anything that is solid or room temperature, any oil, is full of saturated fat. So there are only two, coconut oil and desi ghee. डालडा तो बंदी हो गया, अच्छी बात है, आता ही नहीं अब. तो देसी घी खाना है, लेकिन बहुत कम. बटर, घी, मिठाई, पनीर, डीप फ्राइड सब सैचुरेटेड फैट के सोर्स है. एक चीज और इंपॉर्टेंट है, when you eat fried food and when you refry, that nobody knows. जब आप बाहर जाके जलेबी समोसा खा रहे हैं, सबको पसंद है जलेबी समोसा, that's the staple tea snack. अभी तक बदलता ही नहीं है कभी. If you refry the food, there's a special kind of fat that is produced called as trans fat, जो पहले होता ही नहीं है. It converts to trans fat, and trans fats are so bad for the heart that in most of the countries they've been banned. And it should be less than 1% in your daily intake. Guess what one jalebi has? 18% trans fat in one jalebi. तो आपने 18 दिन का trans fat पूरा कर दिया एक जलेबी खा के. Now I'm not saying don't eat it, burn it off, but do it once in a month, once in 2 months, not more than that. And finally, हम लोग का low protein, especially अगर आप vegetarian हैं, I'm a vegetarian, it is very hard to get protein. कहां से करो? So the only sources of proteins in vegetarian is lentil, tofu, सोयाबीन, पनीर. पनीर खाओ, लेकिन लो फैट पनीर खाओ. अपने घर में मम्मी से बोलो लो फैट बनाए, 2% से बनाए, स्किम से बनाए. अपने घर का फैट बनाओ, पनीर बनाओ और खाओ. जो बाजार का पनीर है उसमें जितना प्रोटीन है उतना ही फैट है. तो those are the 4 things our diet has, and we have to change that. Nobody else is going to change that, right? So these 4 cause direct inflammation of the artery. शुगर तो बढ़ाते ही बढ़ाते हैं, डायबिटीज होती है, ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ता है, सॉल्ट है. मैं बॉम्बे में थी तो मैंने वहां पे सामने खिड़की में उन्होंने लगा रखे थे सारे, ऑल द नमकीन भुजियास वर फैट, सारे फ्राइड थे. कोई एक भी रोस्टेड मिलेट की भुजिया नहीं थी वहां पर. अगर आप ऑफर ही नहीं करोगे पब्लिक को तो वो लेंगे कहां से, राइट? सो यू हैव टू बी देयर.
Along with diet, lack of exercise, Indians have some of the lowest exercise rates in the world. जब मैं अपने मरीज से किसी से पूछता हूँ, देसी मरीज से, कि आप एक्सरसाइज करते हो, तो मुस्कुराते हैं, थोड़ा सा कहते हैं नहीं कर पाते हैं, टाइम नहीं होता, और या कहते हैं सैर पे चले जाते हैं. सैर पे मीन्स मस्ती से घूम रहे हो आप. दैट इज नॉट एक्सरसाइज. वील टॉक अबाउट दैट इन अ सेकंड. बट मोर इंपॉर्टेंटली या कहते हैं कि योगा करते हैं. योगा अगेन इज वंडरफुल बाय द वे फॉर द हार्ट, बट इट इज नॉट एरोबिक एक्सरसाइज. The second thing is, and I was kind of scared today as I was going around in Calcutta, because Calcutta and Delhi were the highest AQI a few days ago. Air pollution has a everyone knows air pollution से lung disease होती है, asthma वगैरह होता है, ये सब होता है. But the most common cause of death from air pollution is not lung disease. 60% of deaths occur from heart disease and strokes, because this small particle called 2.5 PM 2.5 gets into your blood and it gets straight into your artery and it causes arterial swelling or inflammation, causing heart attacks.
So now moving to what to do. What can we do today and then how to do it. So we in the movie have a mnemonic called as Swades. Apna Des. S for stop smoking, watch your weight, assess your risk, diet, exercise, sleep and stress. So Swades सब याद रख सकते हैं. उस न्यूमोनिक को अगर आप सोच के एक एक करके फॉलो करेंगे, you can lower your risk of heart attack by 80 to 90%. That's at least our philosophy and our belief.
So one of the things we talk about is the human body is actually more complex than an airplane, than an aircraft. Yet we have no idea. हम मस्त घूम रहे हैं, पता ही नहीं एयरक्राफ्ट में क्या हो रहा है. So, अब सोचो, if the aircraft is running up in the sky without any dials, आपको खबर नहीं आप कहां जा रहे हो. That's how right now 90% of you are. And I'm not pointing finger at you, all of us used to be exactly like that, right? बिना डायल के घूम रहे हैं, मस्त, पता ही नहीं है. So now what do? So this is what we call the heart health cockpit, right? तो इसमें blood pressure which should be less than, आपको अपना blood pressure मालूम होना चाहिए. 120/80 is the normal blood pressure.
The blood sugar, very very important. जब आप डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे, just get your cholesterol and a metabolic panel, and that will give you your fasting sugar after 8 hours. Dinner के बाद कुछ नहीं खाओ, सुबह जाके blood test कराओ fasting. If your sugar is above 100, you have a problem. 126 is diabetes, but by the time you reach 126, it's way too far at your age.
And don't think you are too young for that, by the way, because this is the age. जैसे ही पता लगेगा आपको, you will be able to do something. And thank God for you, 80% of you will be fine. You'll be normal, and that's great, but you should know it. Next one is body mass index. Quick calculation on the web. अपनी height और weight डाल के आप देख लो, right? In Indian populations, every Indian should be less than 23. I'm looking around and I'm not passing judgment. We were all like this, right? Several of you in this room right now will have BMI somewhere between 25 and 30. And that's a significant risk. And then as we said, waist circumference, हमने बात कर लिया already. And जो cholesterol particles हैं, इनके बारे में we will talk about in just a minute. अगर आपको एक नंबर याद रखना है, वो LDL, आपको अपना मालूम.
Bringing his old father for a bypass graft. It is the old father bringing his young son for a bypass graft.
So that is Dr. So that's what will happen, a little bit back and forth. Better for us, just get it down a little bit. Yeah, so this is Dr. Devi Shetty from Bangalore. Some of you may have heard him. He's a renowned cardiac surgeon. I interviewed him a year ago. And essentially what he's saying is that आजकल हो क्या है, पहले से people like you took your dad or mom for a heart bypass grafting. Right now mom and dad is taking people like you for a bypass grafting. So that is what is happening. And Renu and I are seeing people like this every single day. And as you can see, the person on the right upper corner is looking like you, not like me. Right? These are the people who are either dropping dead or they are showing up in hospitals taken care of by people like us. And sadly, many of them are in the critical care unit, dying from this stuff. So this is not to scare you. आज हमारा purpose ये है to tell you how it is happening and what to do about it. Right?
So I think you saw the newspaper today, right? That Indian Idol winner, 43 years old, he died today. It was all over the paper. So what we are also seeing now is it used to be a myth that heart disease is a disease of men. Not anymore. And women में क्या होता था? We never got heart disease till menopause. So by the time you got it, you were 60, 65. Now we are seeing premenopausal women getting heart disease. Why? Diabetes, smoking, obesity. The three main things in the woman that's happening, which can cause heart disease much earlier. And the second thing in women, when they complain of chest pain, we think they have anxiety. Something is happening at home, right? Or they have acid. And they don't tell their people at home till 12 hours or 24 hours कि मुझे ये हो रहा है. And by the time it happens, the damage is already done. So this is the new trend we are seeing.
What the reason Renu and I are so passionate about this topic is, कई लोग अभी तक सोचते थे अगर आप किसी से पूछो कि भाई क्यों हो रहा है हार्ट अटैक इंडियंस में इतना ज्यादा, why is this happening? Most people say यार ये तो this is genetic होगा कुछ. That's actually not true, and more than 80% of all chronic diseases, जिसमें heart disease is number one, is actually completely preventable.